somebody carry this, dude. I'll protect. I'm not picking that crap up.
Where are we taking this?
They said jailhouse. Oh, they're jailhouse? Dude, get it behind here. We can push up right.
No, I go like straight to the middle of the road.
You know what? Like, somebody cover middle, like that low wall.
Okay, we're gonna go over here. I'm doing it.
Let's move up to the building above spawn and not stand.
I know, dude. I'm running straight up there, and I'm not stopping.
And not stand behind the spawn building.
I'm getting.
So we can get a 65-foot lead on the other team before the damn starting bell rings. Let's do that. Like, let's be the hardest cheater ever. Flashlight cheating mode engaged.
2. Oh, actually 3. Either 3 or 2. Yeah, no, I'll do 3. Yeah, I'll probably do unlimited. I don't really care. I'll do unlimited. Yeah, do I have a better angle down here? They're gonna hold the angle. They're douches like that.
Light up the jailhouse. That's where like everyone's at.
I don't think that building right there says spawn. Just letting you know. Oh wait, the bell didn't ring. Oh, the bell just rang and now we're in the Keys building already. Alright, Diggler here with Scrambled Legs Airsoft. We have Speed QB Dylan on the left side calling White Devil a cheater. And we have White Devil's video on the right side from Scrambled Legs. Let's play them both together, see what we can find out. We definitely know what happened at the beginning of this game on the other side. So let's go here. 3, 2, 1, go. There's White Devil getting surrendered. He calls it. He walks off. Now when he comes back out here, you can clearly see Speed QB shooting, but there's nothing coming out. So, I don't know. Definitely no hit you can hear.
This is the jailhouse. We have to get out there. Where's the boss? Oh, I got it. Did he not call that? Did he not call that? Let me see.
What do you guys think about that one?
He didn't call it.
Looked like to me White Devil had to jump on that shootout.
Are you gonna call that? Hey, buddy! What the? Big!
So as you guys see, this last shootout right here, Speed QB did get White Devil as he crossed that path. As you've seen in White Devil's video, you can hear him clearly say hit with his gun pointed down at the ground, saying good hit, good job, walking back to spawn. Does not look like any sort of cheating going on here to me, except for at the beginning of this video, where you see him and 3 or 4 kids standing way above the spawn and taking off before the bell rings. Scrambled Legs out. Alright, here's another scene that we found. Speed QB Dylan's over here on the left side, White Devil on the right side again. Speed QB Dylan is behind the crate over by the referee tower, and White Devil comes around the blue ice cream shop and engages him and shoots him what he remembers in the top of the beanie. So he probably didn't feel it. However, the referee does see Speed QB Dylan get hit and tells him to go back to respawn, and yet he argues that he didn't get hit. So here is where he comes out in this shootout. And it's very obvious also that Speed QB is actually engaging a guy by the sniper tower and never even sees White Devil come around the ice cream shop. So he never even seen who shot him in the first place. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, me? Wait, where? Where? Where?
So as you see, White Devil came around the corner and engaged him while he was crouched down at that crate. He shot him in the top of the beanie. He probably didn't feel it, but the referee luckily did notice because he was right there under his feet that he did get hit, and he sent him back. So just another scene. You know, if you call people out, you know, have the proof to back it up. Don't just say stuff because you want to. My crew, we all have cameras, and most of us have more than one camera on us. Usually we got a camera on the gun, camera on the helmet, or a camera on the body, but we always have cameras, and we are very good about calling our hits. Just like anybody else plays Airsoft, it's nothing more annoying than when you're shooting at somebody and they don't call their hits. So we are very well about calling our hits. So if you call us out, be prepared for some backlash. Scrambled legs out.